Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manage all the shortcuts for the volume up and down keys on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, press on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now in here, go down and tap on advanced settings. Then tap on volume up and down keys. Now in here is a list of all the shortcuts that you could include or exclude from the menu. So here, let's say if I select a few items. So I have added magnifier, magnification, and color inversion. If I press on the volume up and down key for 3 seconds to activate the menu. So here's the use volume keys for accessibility. So I'm going to tap on use. So when I press on it, a menu will appear. In here, if I tap on edit shortcuts, I can go in here and select more items. So here I will add in extra dim and color filters. So if I press and hold for 3 seconds on both keys, you can see it will bring up this menu. And to remove an item from the menu, simply deselect an item from here. And that's it. So that is how you can manage the shortcuts for the volume up and down keys on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.